Hi students, it's Professor Wallace. Welcome to week 3 in Lifespan Growth and Development. I hope that if you're watching this today, it's Monday, Labor Day. Our week doesn't officially start until tomorrow, but I thought maybe some of you wanted to take advantage of getting a jump start on the week. So again, nothing is due until the end of the week, but I wanted to go ahead and preview the week for you since I'm used to doing it on a Monday. So this week we are covering chapter 3, which is the first 2 years of life, and we'll specifically be looking at the body and the mind. So you'll start noticing, if you're getting a feel for how the book works so far, is that you'll really do the body and mind for a particular age group 1 week or 1 chapter, and then the next chapter will be the same age range, and then looking at the psychosocial development of the human. So this week, in chapter 3, we'll really cover and talk about the body growing, some of the well visit checks that should be done, what's happening with the brain, language acquisition, so some of those early things. So it should be very interesting as we're seeing, now when we started with conception and then looked at infancy, now looking at the first 2 years of life. So this week I'm keeping it light on purpose. You will only have 1 assignment, and that is the quiz number 3. So here in the week here, you can see you have the PowerPoint slides for chapter 3, and then chapter 3 quiz, and then of course the chapter 3 flashcards to look over if you want to use those. It's not an assignment, but it's there for supplemental. And then of course, if you want extra practice, you can use your textbook companion Launchpad to do that. Intentionally, I am just having you do the quiz this week, and the reason is that some of you, if you're taking face-to-face classes, are returning to campus this week, and I know this can be a change for some of you, and adding maybe some things to figure out with childcare or getting a ride, parking, arriving on campus, all of those types of things. So for anybody who is doing face-to-face classes, of course, ours is a strictly online class, so we will not meet face-to-face. I just wanted to give you a little lighter of a week so that we can all ease back into this transition of returning to campus. So again, 1 assignment, quiz number 3, due by Sunday, September 12th. Have a great week. If I can be of any support to you, please do not hesitate to reach out to me.